situations that may require your attention. Call us today at 800-393-4001 and get your copy of our new free guide, The Top 10 Year-End Financial Tips. The markets will likely remain volatile, so review your financial plans now. Get our free guide, The Top 10 Year-End Financial Tips at 800-393-4001. That's 800-393-4001, or download it from our website, armstrongadvisory.com.
Securities offered through Securities American Incorporated, member FDIC. Any advisory services offered through Securities American Advisors Incorporated. The Charles Auto representative, Armstrong Advisory Group, and the Securities American companies are unaffiliated.
During difficult times, young military families feel the impact. When a military spouse is unemployed, the whole family struggles.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. This is Decision 2020. I'm Ryan Gorman. Welcome to our live election night coverage. Returns are coming in pretty quickly, especially in a state like Florida. We also have some states that we've been able to call up to this point. Right now, let's go to James Rojas, who joins me at the Northeast Decision Desk for an update on the Northeast region. James?
Joe Biden is the projected winner in Vermont. Now time will tell how many more northeastern states will go for the former vice president or for President Trump. Another highly watched race is taking place in Maine, where the polls are closed. Will U.S. Senator Susan Collins keep her political career alive, or will her Democratic challenger come out with the win? Also, New Jersey has the chance to legalize marijuana. Now to the Southeast Decision Desk and Matt McClure.
As of just a few minutes ago, the polls are now closed in Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, all too early to call. Polls also closed in the panhandle of Florida. Speaking of the Sunshine State, it is still too early to call at this point. Same thing in Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia, all of which closed a little bit earlier on in the evening. Polls closed in less than 30 minutes in Arkansas. Just under an hour from now, the polls will close in Louisiana. Now to the Central Region Decision Desk and Sue Danielson.
Now, more polls in the Midwest will be closing soon. Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio have already closed. President Trump has been projected to pick up Indiana and Oklahoma as well. There's some Midwest states with big electoral prizes, including Ohio, Texas, and Michigan. Both President Trump and Joe Biden spent a lot of time and resources in Michigan. And we'll be watching close Senate races, too. The second most expensive one is in Iowa, where Republican first-term incumbent Senator Joni Ernst has been